Hi. Have you been wasting most of your time running around designers to help you create a website or a landing page instead of working on growing your business? Are you tired of settling for mediocre designs of your landing pages and your websites? Now, don't blame yourself. I've been there, and I know how it feels. Now, there's a few landing page builders out there. I bought one myself too, and that too is pretty expensive. The one that I had was $497 a year. It was drag and drop all right, but sorry to say, the designs kind of suck. They simply weren't up to the mark. You could tell the designs were created by an amateur, probably to keep the cost of creating the tool lower. Here's a recent PayPal receipt we paid out to a design just of recent. Over $1,000 for just a single web page. This guy would have to be high in order to have his creative juices flowing, or so I figured. Why else would someone take an entire day to just design a bloody section that only has 4 lines in it? I had to even apologize to this one guy who contacted me via email and threatened to sue me because my landing page had his copyrighted images. Yes, the genius designer thought the whole world was his I'm Stone 2 friend circle, and there's no harm in borrowing someone else's intellectual property to make your page look good. And don't even hope that this guy would stick to the deadline. His excuse? Creativity needs time. You can't push it out of him. Yeah, right. You must have sensed the frustration in what I had to say, but it's just that when you're an entrepreneur and you have a product to sell, it's frustrating to see things getting delayed unnecessarily. But last year, I decided to put a stop on this bullshit once and for all. I decided to fire my webpage designer. So just like you, we needed a way to create sleek, beautiful, and high-converting websites and pages for our real businesses without hiring a costly designer or struggling to design and code the sites ourselves. Using themes are hard as you can't really get creative with what you want, and you're highly constrained by the theme's layouts and features. We needed a solution. And most of the things we found on the market weren't good enough. Some of them could create beautiful websites for sure, but weren't really optimized for online marketing. So we decided to create the ultimate solution that won't just knock out stunning pages, but create pages that will strategically grow your businesses online, capture more leads, and generate more sales daily. I created a complete done-for-you solution that would allow you to hit the market with your products in a matter of minutes. I created something that helped me get results like these. Our sales and revenue started climbing up instantly. $26,000 in a month in affiliate income on yet another platform, Warrior Plus. Introducing Mints. Mints creates high-converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, blogs in 60 seconds in any niche. Without the need for any technical skills, outsourcing, paying high-priced web designers, or ongoing monthly fees. Mints includes 20 DFY Mints website and landing page templates. Launching a new product? Need to collect webinar registrations? Creating a giveaway? No worries. 30 pre-designed and pre-optimized templates are at your disposal. Your stunning landing page will be live in a matter of minutes. Easy to edit. Mints is fully component-based. Every design and feature of the app is made with modular component blocks that blend with your design without any hassle. This makes editing content and designs on your website something your 5-year-old could do. Didn't we say that it's built with non-tech-minded people in mind? Create gorgeous-looking sales pages. We want you to sell more. We want you to earn more, and we want you to grow more. We want to be a part of your success story, and we figured we can't do that by limiting how much you can do. You don't need to upgrade or pay us extra so you can sell more and grow. Just create as many sales pages as you want without any restrictions. When we say that this tool is yours, we mean it. Create mesmerizing landing pages. To run a successful campaign, you need to create not just a sales page, you need a squeeze page, sales page, upgrade pages, and thank you page at least. With most of the landing page builders in the market, you realize that you run out of your quota of pages allowed pretty quickly. To build more, you have to pay more, generally by upgrading. But with Mints, you can create as many pages as you like. As we said, we want to be a part of your success story and feature in the section How I Overcame Restrictions in Running My Business with Mints. Now, just take a moment and think about this here. Tomorrow morning, you could list your services on Fiverr and create stunning websites for your clients in 5 minutes tops. And check out what kind of prices you could ask for. All of this with just one tool. Quite unbelievable, right? Search or find offers through Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Drag and Drop Email Builder, import CSV contact list and segmentation, integrate with the most popular email gateways, SMTP, Mailgun, SendGrid, Mandrill, etc., broadcast email to the custom imported list, campaign scheduling, get email campaign report, open rate, and click rate, MailChimp autoresponder integration, Active Campaign autoresponder integration, Sendinblue autoresponder integration, Mautic autoresponder integration, Acel autoresponder integration. Integrate with most popular SMS gateways, Twilio, Clevo, Clickatel, Nexmo, Africa's Talking, MSG91, Semi-SMS, Route SMS, etc. One click to blast your campaign to 100 plus free traffic sources. Besides this, Mint comes with very limited commercial license. That'll allow you to tap into a unique opportunity to enter the $200 billion freelancing industry. As we've shown you, there are tons of businesses that need your services. They'll pay top dollar to you when you deliver top-notch services to them. We've taken care of everything so that you can deliver those services simply and easily. Don't forget, you're protected by our 365-day ironclad money-back guarantee. You can get started right now. So go ahead, click on the button below, and we'll see you on the other side.